The variable offset command is used to create a line string offset at a varied distance from an existing line. The line from which you are offsetting can either be a 2D or a 3D with an elevation or slope. Kind of a good example to show where this comes in is if I want to offset this line here to create a center line of ditch or even the edge of ditch. Down here, I mean, I can draw in, I can connect from here to here, but when you get to an area like this where you're going around a curve, you want that elevation or that offset to be a constant distance or slope or elevation from this line here to maintain that curve geometry. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come up and I'm going to use on the CAD tab, there's the variable offset command. You can give it a name, so I can call this ditch. I can set the layer that I want this to go to, and then I can choose the line that I want to offset. So I can come in here and you can see I've selected this edge of pavement. Now down here I can either do elevation or cross slope. So depending on what mode you're in, it'll be the value that you enter in down here. So if I leave it at elevation and I pick location, I can start anywhere along this line. So like if I was going to here, I could pick this point and it grabs that distance and elevation, shows me the offset and slope, and I can grab the next one and we'll keep working our way down. So this is not too difficult, but when you get to here, this is where it really shines, is my next one isn't going to be until I get down here. So when I do that, you'll see that I'm maintaining that constant offset along this edge. So even though that contour line is running through here, I'm going to be able to use this as a break line to better properly define my ditch. So same thing as I can come over here and maybe grab a low spot or tie it in over here, but you can see is that it's maintained an offset and a slope, and now I have a line that I can use here as a break line for my ditch, and I can repeat that process for the other side, and I'll have a constant parallel offset and a constant slope in an area like this. So that's the variable offset command.